In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mona Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mona Prep and Bible knowledge. What is another name for Calvary, the location where Jesus was crucified?
Holy Hill.
Incorrect, it's Golgotha. Knox, in the book of Luke, which man said he would restore fourfold to any person he had robbed?
Zacchaeus.
That is correct. International affairs is a visual. Mona Prep, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Paraguay.
That's right. Knox, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Suriname.
That's right. Science for Mona Prep. What is the specific name of the type of heat transfer which takes place when objects are in contact with each other?
Conduction.
That is correct. Knox, what name is given to the renewable organic material that comes from plants and animals?
Biomass.
That is correct. Television is a visual. This is for Mona Prep. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Andrew Garfield. Ryan Reynolds.
Incorrect, it's Liam Hemsworth. Knox, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Chris Hemsworth.
Incorrect, it's Liam Neeson. English language, Mona Prep. Give a 6-letter verb that starts with C, which means to bring something into existence.
Create.
That's right. Knox, give a 5-letter verb that starts with A, which means to love and respect deeply.
Adore.
That is correct. Sports, this is a visual question for Mona. Look at the monitor and identify this West Indies cricketer.
Kiana Joseph.
That's right. Knox, look at the monitor and identify this West Indies cricketer.
Shemaine Campbell.
That is right. General knowledge. Mona, what is the capital of Romania?
Bucharest.
That's correct. Knox, what is the capital of Finland?
Helsinki.
That's right. Social studies for Mona Prep. Bombay, East Indian, St. Julian, and Hayden are all examples of what fruit in Jamaica?
Mangoes.
That's right. Knox, if you are having a jack, sprat, or yellowtail in Jamaica, what are you eating?
Fish.
That is correct. Music for Mona Prep. Which US singer was called the King of Rock and Roll?
Elvis Presley.
That's right. Knox, which US singer was first called the Blind Genius?
Ray Charles.
That's right. Mathematics for Mona Prep. What is the denary equivalent for the Roman numerals M, L, X, 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 V, I, I?
$1,087.
That is correct. Knox, what is the denary equivalent for the Roman numerals M, D, L, X, I, V?
So 1,564. 1,564.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mona Prep on 8 and Knox Junior School on 9. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Create a specific spot in your home for doing homework and studying that is free from distractions. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.